Hey girls, are you guys ready for a massive dollar store haul? I actually wasn't planning on doing this video. I went to the dollar store with a bunch of things in mind. I wanted to do Easter basket shopping. I needed to do birthday party supplies. I also was looking for random things that we needed for our house. I also wanted to stock up on some of our gift stockpile. All of these things I went in, and then I came out spending almost $100 at the dollar store. I'll explain how that works into our budget as well. But if you guys want to see everything we got in our haul, you're gonna want to stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. I'm so excited to share all of this with you guys. All of my stuff is actually from the 99-cent store. So it's 99 cents and up, but most of the store is $1. And then there, guys will see there's a couple things. My favorite thing that I find at the 99-cent store are the as seen on TV things, which usually retail for $20 or more. And in the 99-cent store, you can usually get them for $1 to $5 maybe. So it saves you a lot of money, and you can get really actually name brand quality things. So I'm excited. Let me show you. I want to start with things that were actually on my list. And one of those things is I was actually planning on going to Walmart after we went to the 99-cent store. I needed oatmeal. This Adventure Animals, it's strawberry oatmeal, but it has little animal characters in it. Like, I'm sure they're like candy pieces probably, or maybe marshmallows. Nothing healthy. We're not talking about being healthy today. One of the tips is make sure that you're always checking the expiration code. Don't buy more than you can't use or freeze before it expires. Oatmeal, this is pretty much just oats and sugar. It says it expires the end of April. But we'll see about that. Guys, we're safe. We're careful. Anyways, so, and this is the Quaker brand, so I thought, oh, that's awesome. So I got the gingerbread spice, and I actually got 3 boxes of that, 4 of the strawberry Adventure Animals. All of this was $1 each, and then this is a 6-pack of the Swiss Miss milk chocolate flavor. And these are great because now that we live up in the mountains of San Diego, we enjoy our hot chocolate. Now, Kennedy's birthday party is this Saturday. Hopefully, again, you guys are following me on Instagram because that's where you see all the behind the scenes. A lot of times I have so many ideas for videos, but I just do not have the time to film and edit all of them. So I just do quick Instagram stories. So make sure you're following me over there as well. So her party theme is Rockstar Party theme. And so there's a couple things we needed to get. We're going to be decorating glasses, Rockstar glasses. So I got an extra pack of these. There's 4 in each pack. They're pretty solid. I mean, they're not going to last forever. But I went and saw a 2-pack at Walmart was selling for like $3, and they're way cheaper quality than these. So I'm not saying they're awesome, but they're pretty good quality. I had already purchased 3 a few weeks ago, knowing that this party was coming up. Decided I need a 4th one. So one of the activities at our party is we're going to be decorating them. So I have stickers and all that stuff at home, and then I also got some neon, what are these? They're called Chanel stems, but they're like pipe cleaners, you guys know. All of this stuff so far is still only $1 each. Then another thing that we're going to be doing at her party is we're going to be doing Rockstar hair stations. So I wanted to color their hair, put it up in like really crazy fun things. We're going to use some of the pipe cleaners again to put into their hair. So I got some just elastic hair ties. They're 500. These ones really aren't the best quality. They don't last super long, but we just need it for a party. And then I was excited initially to find these color glitter hairspray. It's temporary color, easy to remove. I did read that it says do not put on blonde hair, and then somebody messaged me on Instagram and said yes, that's true, don't put it on blonde hair. It stayed in her hair for a very long time. I tried it on my hair and it washed out. I think I washed it probably 8 hours later and it washed out just fine. But the problem with these is they have so much overspray. It's really messy, and I was nervous that trying to do this on a bunch of little 7-year-olds was going to kind of get out of hand. So I decided to go with something different, some like chalk hair color. So I'll leave a link to that if you guys are interested. It was $10 for several different colors. And I'll share on my Instagram how that goes. Something I was really excited about because the colors we're going with are kind of black, neon colors, silver, and gold. Look at how cute these plates are. What I was excited, they're not super thick, but we don't need them super thick. It's just for like pretty much just treats and cupcakes that we're having. Specifically, what I liked about them is that the gold is actually reflective, so that's pretty. Next up are these baking cups. I've never used baking cups, so again, anything I'll be test trying, follow me on Instagram, and you guys can see the test results of how everything goes. But these are perfect because they are colorful, and I'll just bake the cupcakes right in here. I also got this dark fudge peanut butter drizzle corn. This is one thing that is going to expire a little bit more soon. This is delicious. Kennedy will be excited about it. It'll be a fun thing to add to the table. And that still, again, was only $1. She specifically asked for candy. She loves Sour Patch Kids. So we're just gonna put these out on the table. And when I was at the party, at the store, I had this really fun idea. So I saw the cotton candy. I was looking for like colorful fun. I'm like, oh, cotton candy. That comes in several different colors. My kids love this specific brand. It's the Charms Fluffy Stuff Cotton Candy. It's fat-free, so it's totally fine. Like barely any sugar. Oh, If you eat this whole bag of cotton candy, it's 71 grams of sugar. Like average woman only needs like 20 in a day. Holy moly! Anyway, what I thought would be so fun, I got 2 bags of this, and then I got a few of their plastic stem glasses. I love using these. I actually did something for a baby shower where I put glitter on these and then used these for like vases at a baby shower. It was really pretty, I thought. Anyways, these are each 6 in a package, and then these are wine glasses. Again, 6 in a glass, and I'm just gonna put these around the table with the cotton candy in each one. And that'll just add some height to the table. We're also gonna be decorating sugar cookies, so I got some sprinkles. I really never pay more than $1 for a thing of sprinkles. And then this little fun boa I saw was, again, only $1. It was the fun colors, and Kennedy will get to wear that as part of her outfit for the party. Always, always, always buy my plastic tablecloths from a dollar store, 99-cent store. Premium quality plastic tablecloths. These are a rectangle, but I also saw that they have oval. So many colors, and they're actually coming out with lots of fun party wear stuff. So that was great. Let's move on to some of the more exciting things. I'm so excited for some of this stuff. The first random things that I saw, I made this really yummy orange fruit dip that is always delicious. And it uses this marshmallow cream. It's only $1. Then these must be something that Garnier is pushing out because I haven't seen it in stores very often. It kind of comes and goes. Anyways, this is what my hubby used to always use on the boys' hair. Normally it's $4 to $5 a tub, and it is on sale for only $2 a tub. So I bought 2 of them. I wasn't sure if we were gonna still like it better than what we're currently using, so I just bought 2 of them. And I'm gonna try out one of their Pro Beauty Sponge. So you know, it's just one of those blender things. I've never used one in my entire life, but I will share on Instagram how it goes. I found this package of 50 tea light candles, and it was $2 for this whole package. What is this? There's like sand or something in there? These are always really fun for parties, special occasions, that kind of thing. And if you were to get a package of 50 at any other store, it's gonna be more money than that usually. Hubby needed a new mirror. He actually cuts his own hair, and he like does some sort of like crazy maneuvering type thing with the razor, with the buzzer and the mirror. Anyways, he needed a new one. He's been using like a broken one for a long time. So $1 for that is the perfect price. This guy back here, I'm really excited to try out. We have wood blinds. Oh, you probably can't see. I thought I would give this guy a try to see how it does with dusting the blinds. And I liked how giant it was, so that way it doesn't take me forever or take the kids forever, and it'd make it more fun for the kids to kind of help out. So this was $2.99 for this big thing. We also had white and maybe a blue one, that kind of thing. Let's move on to the Easter stuff. I told you guys, I got a lot of stuff. I saw these are just like foam eggs or maybe like paper eggs, but apparently you can dye them just the same as the other eggs. They were $1 each carton, and I kind of liked this idea because I thought that the kids could dye them, and then I could use them as decoration around the house rather than boiling 3 to 5 dozen eggs and then us just ending up throwing away, because we do not eat that many hard-boiled eggs in our family, and I don't have enough recipes that my families will eat that uses hard-boiled eggs. Anyways, I thought that was a fun idea. These are $1 each. For the baskets, I found these Star Wars milk chocolate and surprise. So these are like huge right now, where there's like a little toy inside a hollow chocolate egg. So I got one for each of the boys. They didn't have anything girly, so I got this Frozen. It's just like a lollipop thing, but it has a light on the end. Just something a little bit special. I'm trying not to do as much candy in their baskets this year, so that's where we're coming on with that. Also, in my daughter's basket, I was gonna put one of these in there and then try one out myself, so stay tuned for the results. This one is vanilla coconut, and it's 3 bath bombs, and then this one is cherry blossom. 3 bath bombs. We'll see how the smell goes, but I figured I'm giving it to my 7-year-old daughter. Today's her birthday. She just turned 7. Give it to my 7-year-old daughter. She's really not gonna care. All that stuff will go in their baskets. Oh, the boys were really drawn to these emoji, like, what are they, keychain things, I guess? Puking one and this goofy face one. They like were carrying them around the entire time, so I thought, oh, those will be fun to put in the boys' Easter baskets. And then Kennedy, this one was actually $2. I was kind of bummed because I saw they had squishies. I guess they're a thing right now. A few weeks ago when I was there and they didn't have them, so that just proves to you guys, if you see something in the store, you have the budget set aside for it, jump on it. The little like surprise keychain thing that I thought she'd have fun using. So last thing I'm gonna put in their Easter baskets are these Styrofoam. Do you guys remember this? This stuff is always so fun. It says never dries out, squeeze, squish, and create, kind of like a Play-Doh type thing. I thought they would love that. So I got a pink one, a yellow one, and a green one for each kid. Another thing that I'm trying to work on is if I see like a really good deal in store on like a toy or something or online, I'm trying to stock up on it when I see it at a really discounted price, and then having a gift stockpile. That way, if it's a friend's birthday, we just can pull something out of the gift stockpile when we were able to take advantage of the really low price. Or if it comes up to one of our kids' birthdays or Christmas time and we need an extra gift for one of the kids to make everything even, then we have that stockpile again, where I was able to really take advantage of the deals. I found some really awesome stuff when it comes to the toys. So this is where the 99-cent store, I feel like, really excels. First thing I want to share with you guys are these Little Dude 4-piece bath time policeman shaving set. I actually wanted to get the boys, one of these last Christmas, but if you look them up on Amazon, it's around like $20 for this exact same kit. Now I know Amazon doesn't always have the cheapest prices, but still, this was only $3 for this kit, and I don't think that you'll be able to beat that price even at Walmart or anywhere else like that. So I was really excited when I saw this one. So I got 2 of them, 1 for each boy, and we'll probably give them to them at Christmas time. Another thing I've noticed a lot the last couple times that I've been there is that you could get these $2 little Lego sets. It's a 56-piece set. I got this Powerpuff Girls one for Kennedy because I already previously got some Ninjago Lego sets. They were $2 each for the boys, and we'll use those like at Christmas time or something. So anyways, I was really excited. So maybe I'll put these in their Easter baskets actually. Anyways, $2 each. And then I've seen someone before on Instagram or something mentioned if you're going to Legoland, grab these sets and you can trade these sets. They're only $2, so you could trade these guys because they do like a little trading thing if you go to Legoland. So anyways, that's a little tip for you guys. Also found these light up doodle tablets. So it's just those like electronic like sketching pads. And this, as seen on TV, squishy sand, incredibly soft and moldable. It's like that kinetic sand that just kind of sticks to itself. Kids have been wanting ever since it came out, so it's been like a couple years, and they still love to do this kind of stuff. So I got 1 for each of them. It was only $2 each. I looked them up on Amazon. They're retailing for as low as $10, but as high as $50. I think maybe that's just for people who really, really want it and cannot get it anywhere else. I don't know, but anyways, $10 online, and I only paid $2. It says ages 6 and up, but it's just a not your own quilt. You can do these yourself where you just go and buy the fleece when it's like on really cheap sale at Joann's, but this was $5, and it comes with the different fabrics and instructions on how to make your own blanket. I just thought that Kennedy would have so much fun with this, so that might just be a gift that I give her at Christmas time, or if we need a gift for a friend before then we'll give that to her. Whew, I told you guys I got a lot of stuff, but I covered a lot of my bases. The way I kind of grouped it is where I was telling you guys, our grocery budget, our party budget, our miscellaneous household budget, and then our gifts budget. Just $100 coming straight out of our bank account. I piece it together and apply the amount to whichever budget it needs to come out of. So that's kind of how we work that type of thing. So what do you guys think? Are you guys dollar store shoppers? Do you go to the Dollar Tree, the 99-cent store? I don't know. There's all sorts of different dollar stores. Tell me what your favorite things are. How often do you go shopping? Let's talk about it all. Leave it all down in the comments below. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.